Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Yurth, and I am the Medical Director at Border Longevity Institute and also a certified peptide expert. I want to talk a little bit today about how we can use peptides to increase metabolism. So one of the things that you'll notice is as we age, we can't increase our metabolism enough to really lose weight. I have 5 kids and they can eat all day long. My 18-year-old son can eat 10,000 calories a day. So why is that? Well, one of the reasons is that while you're young and growing, your pituitary gland is releasing really high levels of growth hormone. And when you have these very high circulating levels of growth hormone, it's stimulating your metabolism. It's telling your body to use all the calories you're taking in to form new tissue, to make more muscle. And as a result, you have more energy, but you're also burning calories even when you're not doing anything. So why does a teenager sleep 12, 15 hours a day between their nighttime sleeping and naps, and yet they just can eat and eat and eat and eat? And one of the reasons is because they have these huge surges of growth. As you start to get older, your body no longer does that. So the body does not sense the need for growth anymore. And as a result, the pituitary gland is not releasing these growth hormone levels. And so we get these little surges to help us with muscle building when we exercise. But most of the day, we're not in any type of mode to burn calories. So one of the things you have to do if you're going to get fit is to increase metabolism all day long. That means while I'm sleeping, while I'm seeing my patients during the day, while I'm sitting at my desk studying or writing papers. One of the ways we do that is by getting the pituitary gland to release growth hormone. When that happens, the metabolism will be stimulated. So the body goes into a mode of what we call lipolysis. It actually starts to burn fat cells and increase metabolic rate. So now, even if I'm eating the exact same amount of calories and doing the exact same amount of exercise, I will just naturally become more fit, and I will start to lose weight. I will start to lose primarily fat, and I will do that without actually having to do anything except utilizing an appropriately managed program of peptide therapy. It's not so easy to do, but we're here to help guide you through that. You need to know how to time the use of those peptides. You need to know exactly which combination to use. If you give us a call here at Border Longevity Institute, myself and some of my fellow certified peptide experts here are really eager to help you through that. So again, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Yurth. I'm here at Border Longevity Institute. We're the home of the first medically managed peptide program to optimize human health. And if you give us a call, we're going to help you get there.